Hello and welcome to Tourism Perspectives. Our theme today, tourism marketing. We'll be speaking with Ms. Donna Compton, who is the marketing officer at the St. Lucia Tourist Board, as well as with Ms. Waltrud Patrick, who is the general manager of Bay Gardens Inn. So Donna, tell us a little bit about how you market a destination and perhaps what are some of the source markets for St. Lucia.
Okay, to market the destination, you first need to conduct your market research to determine the needs and wants of your targeted consumers. Then you need to determine what destination image you wish to portray in your targeted markets, keeping in mind the needs and wants of your targeted consumers. After doing this, you need to implement an integrated marketing communications program, and this would entail implementing your media advertising and also your trade and consumer shows.
Okay, and what are some of the source markets for St. Lucia?
Okay, our key source markets, regional source markets, include the French Caribbean, mainly Martinique and Guadeloupe, and we also have other Caribbean markets such as Barbados, Trinidad, St. Vincent, Grenada and Dominica. Our key international markets, which include the UK, United Kingdom, the US and Canada markets.
Waltrud, how important have your marketing efforts been in the success of Bay Gardens Inn?
Well, my marketing efforts have realized an 80% repeat business, which is a plus, and we recently received Gold Award from Virgin Holidays as the best small hotel in the Caribbean.
Donna, how is St. Lucia perceived in the marketplace, and are there any specific niche markets that are being targeted?
St. Lucia is definitely perceived as a choice, the destination of choice in our source markets. We're a hot spot, you could say, in those source markets. They usually define us also as a one-stop shop. In terms of coming to St. Lucia, I can experience entertainment, I can experience sightseeing, go on sightseeing tours. There are wonderful cuisines. I should mention that in undergoing our promotions in our source markets, we definitely try to target specific niche markets such as our weddings and honeymoons. We have entertainment as well, events. We target our sports market. We target also our family vacations, and we just try to sell St. Lucia as what it is.
Waltrud, what are some of the marketing strategies that you employ at Bay Gardens Inn? And perhaps you can tell us a little bit about the collaborative marketing programs that you've done and with whom.
Okay, what I do, direct approach with my tour operators and travel agents, meaning if I realize occupancy is down, for example, we do very well out of Barbados. Our major contacts are going places and safari tours. I would call them up and ask them, what exactly are your customers saying to you? I've noticed a decline, what can we do? And based on the information that is shared with me, I would look at maybe giving a discount or maybe including a continental breakfast in the package, you know, anything to turn it around so that, you know, we can encourage the visitors to come. And as it relates to collaborative marketing efforts, I work with the St. Lucia Tourist Board when they go to the various islands on road shows, sales calls, and marketing events. I accompany them. We share the booth and, you know, kind of interact, if it's a consumer approach, interact one-on-one with the consumers, tell them about the various packages that we offer.
To close, how can the average St. Lucian who is not directly involved in the industry perhaps assist in the marketing of St. Lucia and assist in developing that idea of St. Lucia as that one-stop shop and that place that you have to go to? That could go to both.
Well, for me, I think tourism should be introduced in schools because as early as infant, because at the end of the day, today's students are tomorrow's leaders. So if that is, you know, inculcated in them from an early age, they will go out there, you know, and get the message across to their parents, to their teachers as they walk down the street. I think we should start in the schools.
What about you, Don?
I agree with Waltrud, because simple things as to how we receive our visitors upon arrival in St. Lucia, we have to remember you have to be hospitable. That's the only way our visitors will keep coming back. And also, you must remember that when dealing with tourism, you're dealing with a lot of referrals help your tourism product. So the way you receive your visitors will determine whether your visitors keep coming back and whether new visitors will keep coming back to your island.
Okay, we want to thank you so much for coming. It was a very informative interview.